Do your knees ache the moment you open your eyes in the morning? Does getting out of bed feel like a painful battle you fight every single day? Are stairs starting to feel like your biggest enemy? Is walking to the kitchen something you used to do without thinking now something you dread? If you said yes to any of those questions, then this video was made specifically for you. Today, I am going to share a simple, gentle morning routine that will strengthen your legs and bring real relief to your aching knees. And the best part, you can do every single exercise from a chair or the edge of your bed. First, let me explain why this happens, because understanding the problem is the first step to solving it. As we get older, our muscles naturally lose strength. This is completely normal and it happens to everyone. When the muscles around your knee become weak, the knee joint itself has to absorb much more pressure. That extra pressure is what causes the pain, the swelling, the stiffness, and that terrible grinding sensation. Many people think knee pain is just a sign of old age and there is nothing they can do about it. But that is simply not true. Research has shown that targeted gentle exercise can reduce knee pain by up to 70%. You do not need expensive equipment, a gym membership, or even a prescription to get started. All you need is the right movements, done consistently every morning, and I am going to walk you through each one. Before we begin, let me share a few quick things to set you up for success. When you first wake up in the morning, do not rush straight into movement. Take a moment to drink 2 full glasses of water. Your body has been without water all night and is dehydrated. Sit on the edge of your bed for a minute, take a few slow deep breaths, and gently wiggle your toes. This gives your joints and muscles a moment to wake up before we ask them to work. Now you are ready. Let us begin your powerful morning knee routine. Our first movement is called ankle circles, and it is the perfect gentle warm-up for your entire lower body. Sit up straight in a firm chair with both feet flat on the floor. Lift one foot just slightly off the ground, only a few inches is enough. Now slowly rotate your foot in a big circle clockwise 10 times. Then reverse the direction and go counterclockwise 10 more times. Switch to the other foot and repeat the same thing. This simple movement gets the blood flowing from your feet all the way up through your knees, warming everything up beautifully. The second exercise is seated leg lifts, one of the most powerful exercises for knee pain relief. Stay seated in your chair and sit up nice and tall with your back supported. Slowly straighten one leg out in front of you until it is as straight as you can comfortably get it. Hold that position for 5 full seconds. Feel your thigh muscle squeezing tight. Then slowly lower your foot back to the floor. Repeat this 10 times on each leg. This exercise strengthens your quadriceps, the muscle that acts as a natural shock absorber for your knee joint. Now we move on to knee extensions, a movement that restores flexibility and reduces morning stiffness. Remain seated with your back straight and your hands resting gently on your thighs. Slowly straighten one knee as much as you comfortably can. Hold for 3 seconds. Really focus on the gentle stretch at the back of your knee. Then slowly bend it back to the starting position. The key word here is slowly. Rushing this movement takes away most of its benefit. Do 10 repetitions on each leg, and you will feel your knee becoming noticeably more flexible within just a few sessions. Our fourth exercise is the wall sit, and before you worry, I promise this is gentler than it sounds. Stand with your back against a solid, sturdy wall. Make sure you have something nearby to hold onto for balance. A countertop or chair works perfectly. Slowly slide your back down the wall as if you were going to sit in an invisible chair. Go only as far as feels comfortable. Even a very slight bend in your knees is beneficial. Hold this position for 10 seconds to start and gradually build up to 30 seconds over the coming weeks. This movement builds tremendous strength in your thighs and helps protect your knees from future pain. Exercise 5 is heel raises, simple, effective, and something you can do while standing at the kitchen counter. Stand behind a sturdy chair and hold the back of it lightly for balance. Slowly rise up onto the balls of your feet, lifting both heels off the ground. Hold for 2 seconds at the top, then slowly lower back down. Aim for 10 to 15 repetitions every morning. This strengthens your calf muscles, which play a surprisingly important role in supporting and protecting the knee joint. The sixth movement is side steps, a wonderful exercise for your outer thigh and hip muscles. Stand behind a chair and hold on lightly for support. Take one slow, controlled step to the right with your right foot, then bring your left foot to meet it. Take 5 steps in one direction, then 5 steps back the other way. Keep your knees slightly soft, never lock them straight during this movement. Strong hip muscles take enormous pressure off the knee, so never skip this one. After your exercises, take 5 minutes to give your knees a gentle, loving massage. Place both hands around your knee, one on each side. Using slow circular motions, massage all around the kneecap and the surrounding area. If you have some warm olive oil or coconut oil available, use that for an even deeper benefit. This increases circulation, reduces inflammation, and helps flush away the chemicals that cause joint pain. Think of it as a reward for your knees after all the hard work they do for you every single day. Here is a powerful bonus tip that many people overlook: the warm compress. Before you even begin your exercises, take a small towel and soak it in warm water. Wring it out and place it directly on your knees for 10 to 15 minutes. This relaxes the muscles, loosens the joint, and makes every single exercise more effective. On cold mornings especially, this one small step can make a world of difference. Now let us talk about something that is just as important as the exercises: what you eat and drink. Your joints are surrounded by cartilage, and that cartilage needs water to stay cushioned, so drink 8 to 10 glasses of water every single day. Turmeric is one of nature's most powerful anti-inflammatory foods. Add it to warm milk before bed and feel the difference within days. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, like salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds, directly reduce joint inflammation. On the other hand, excess salt, white sugar, and processed foods increase inflammation in your body. Try your best to reduce them. Think of your food as either medicine for your joints or poison. The choice really is yours. Let me now give you a clear, realistic schedule so you know exactly how to get started. In week 1, just do the first 3 exercises: ankle circles, leg lifts, and knee extensions. In week 2, add the wall sit and heel raises. By week 3, add the side steps and the massage, and you now have the complete routine. This full routine takes only 15 to 20 minutes each morning. Do it before breakfast, before you check your phone, before you do anything else. Make it the first gift you give yourself each day. By the second week, standing up straight and walking becomes noticeably easier. Before we finish, I want to share a few very important safety reminders. Always have something to hold on to for balance during standing exercises. Age is just a number, and your knees do not know how old you are. Imagine climbing stairs again, walking in the park again, playing with your grandchildren again without pain. Start today.